Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can add or send money to your bank account from your Wise account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wise account. So once you open your Wise account, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the send option. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap the amount you want to send and hit the continue button. So after you do so, you will end up in this page. So all you need to do is simply tap on the add option. So once you tap on add, you want to now select the recipient. So once you select the recipient, you can simply choose your bank name and type in your full number of your account and also type in the full name of the account holder. So once you are done completed all these three credentials, simply hit the confirm button and follow the on-screen prompts given. So once the on-screen prompts are all completed, you can send money from Wise to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.